When it comes to being a crossdresser, understanding the challenges commonly faced with breast forms is crucial. One of the main issues often encountered is finding breast forms that truly suit your body type and desired look. This can be challenging due to the wide variety of options available on the market, each with its own set of pros and cons. Additionally, achieving a natural look and feel with breast forms can be difficult for many crossdressers. The shape, size, weight, and texture of breast forms all play a significant role in determining how realistic they appear when worn. It's important to consider these factors carefully when selecting breast forms to avoid any potential discomfort or unnatural appearance while dressing as a woman. Ultimately, recognizing and addressing these challenges head-on is key to successfully overcoming them as a crossdresser. By understanding the complexities involved in choosing and wearing breast forms, you can make more informed decisions that enhance your overall transformation and confidence. Stay tuned for insights on how to navigate these obstacles effectively in order to embrace your true self fully. When selecting the right breast forms, it is crucial to consider the material they are made from. Silicone breast forms offer a realistic look and feel, while foam forms are lightweight and comfortable for everyday wear. Additionally, be mindful of the shape and size that will best suit your body type and desired silhouette. It's also beneficial to invest in quality adhesive or a well-fitted bra to ensure the breast forms stay in place securely. Another key factor when choosing breast forms is skin tone matching. Opting for a color that closely resembles your own skin tone will help achieve a more natural appearance. Moreover, consider the versatility of the breast forms. Some styles may work better with certain outfits or activities than others. By taking these factors into account, you can find breast forms that not only enhance your figure but also boost your confidence as a crossdresser. Proper sizing and fitting can make a world of difference when it comes to wearing breast forms as a crossdresser. Many individuals struggle with finding the right size, which can lead to discomfort and lack of confidence. To ensure the perfect fit, it is crucial to take accurate measurements of your chest size and profile. When trying on breast forms, pay attention to how they sit against your skin and the natural contour of your body. Remember that every individual is unique, so what works for one person may not work for another. Don't hesitate to experiment with different sizes and styles until you find the perfect match that complements your shape and enhances your overall look. Finding the ideal size and fit for your breast forms can be a challenging yet rewarding experience. By paying attention to details such as measurements, profile, and comfort level, you can achieve a seamless and natural appearance that boosts your self-confidence when dressing in feminine attire. Embrace the process of trial and error as you navigate through various options until you discover the perfect fit that makes you feel empowered and fabulous in every way. To ensure your breast forms are securely in place, consider investing in high-quality adhesive tapes specifically designed for this purpose. Look for tapes that are skin-friendly, but also strong enough to hold the forms securely throughout the day. Additionally, applying a thin layer of skin-safe adhesive directly onto the skin before attaching the breast forms can provide an extra layer of security. Another great tip is to wear form-fitting clothing over your breast forms. This not only helps to smooth out any edges or bumps, but also keeps the forms securely pressed against your chest. For added security and confidence, you may also want to invest in specialized bras or lingerie designed to accommodate and secure breast forms effectively. By combining these tips and tricks, you can enjoy a comfortable and worry-free experience while wearing your breast forms as a crossdresser. Dealing with discomfort and skin irritation when wearing breast forms can be a challenging aspect of crossdressing. It's crucial to prioritize comfort by selecting high-quality, skin-friendly breast forms made from materials like silicone. To tackle skin irritation, consider using protective barriers such as adhesive pads or clothing liners to create a buffer between the breast forms and your skin. Additionally, taking breaks during wear can help reduce discomfort and allow your skin to breathe. Moreover, proper hygiene is paramount in preventing skin irritation. Ensure that both your skin and the breast forms are clean before each use to minimize the risk of infections or allergic reactions. Investing in specialized skincare products designed for sensitive areas can also aid in soothing irritated skin and maintaining its health. Remember, addressing discomfort and irritation promptly will not only enhance your overall cross-dressing experience, but also promote better skin health in the long run. Proper maintenance and care for breast forms are essential in preserving their quality and ensuring longevity. To start, it's crucial to clean your breast forms regularly with a gentle soap or specialized cleaner recommended by the manufacturer. Avoid using harsh chemicals or rough scrubbing that can damage the form's surface. Additionally, make sure to store your breast forms properly when not in use. ideally in a soft pouch or case to prevent any deformation or scratching. Another key aspect of maintaining breast forms is handling them carefully during wear and removal. Always be mindful of sharp objects that could puncture or tear the form, and avoid excessive bending or squeezing that may cause distortion. Some cross-dressers find it helpful to rotate between multiple sets of breast forms to extend the lifespan of each pair. By following these simple steps for maintenance and care, you can ensure that your breast forms remain in top condition for many years of use. Confidence is a powerful tool that can significantly impact how we present ourselves to the world. For cross-dressers, embracing femininity can sometimes be a challenge, but it's essential to remember that confidence doesn't just come from external appearance. It stems from within, from owning your identity and feeling comfortable in your skin. Embracing femininity isn't about conforming to societal standards or fitting into a mold. It's about celebrating who you are and expressing yourself authentically. When you exude confidence and embrace your femininity, you give others permission to do the same. Remember, true empowerment comes from self-acceptance and being unapologetically yourself. So stand tall, wear what makes you feel good, and let your inner confidence shine through. One key tip for a successful cross-dressing experience is to invest in high-quality breast forms that suit your body shape and size. Ill-fitting or cheap breast forms can not only be uncomfortable but also affect the overall look you are aiming for. It is worth taking the time to research different options and perhaps even seek professional advice to ensure you get the right fit. Another important aspect to consider is clothing choices that complement your breast forms and enhance your overall appearance. Opt for outfits that flatter your shape and style while considering how they interact with your chosen breast forms. Experimenting with different styles, colors, and fabrics can help you find what works best for you, leading to a more confident and authentic cross-dressing experience. Lastly, don't be afraid to embrace accessories as part of your cross-dressing journey. Accessories like jewelry, wigs, or makeup can elevate your look and add a touch of personality. Remember that cross-dressing is a form of self-expression, so have fun exploring different styles and incorporating accessories that make you feel fabulous in your own skin. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request for you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.